Hey guys, this is Ashwini Verma. Today's date is 28th of January 2021 and the time is right now around 12:30 p.m. Welcome to My Life episode 12, and in this episode you all going to be listening about me, what I'm going through. There are a hell lot of things that I need to complete and I'm not getting the way how to complete all those things. Especially my first ever client work, the e-commerce website that I'm making for my client is taking a way, 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 way to the power infinite time to get complete. I've not yet made a product archive page in a proper way. Yes, I have made that page, product archive page, but it's not it is not looking very good. Okay, I've not made a good product page because because I'm not getting the way how to design product archive page, product page, home page. There's a lot of stuff that I need to do, just like making contact page and integration of mails going to the customers when they will buy, or you know they will add something to their cart. uh, how to secure the website, WordPress security, uh, making website good, making website faster, how to reduce the image in a proper way so that my site will load faster. There is a lot of confusion which is going into my head right now. I don't know how to do all this stuff. It's been over a month. It's been over a month. I've got my first ever client. 19th December 2020, I got my first ever client in evening 8:30 p.m. And till today, 28th January 28th January, 28th January 2021, I have not submitted my even one project and get paid by client. I'm very confused. Actually, nature is testing me a lot, because previously I've backed out on my words so many times that nature is not ready to trust me, that this time I'm not giving up. I'm not in a mindset to give up on anything. I am literally want to succeed right now. I have that desire in me to change my life, to just change everything in a good manner, to just be in a mood of doing something great. Not great as in the world level great, but in great should be a feeling of a feeling of goodness, a feeling of, yes, I am doing something, I am providing something to each and everyone who is loving me, or who is caring me. Because I'm not able to, right now I'm not able to do anything. Especially I'm not able to create a simple add to cart website. And this is not I'm showing to all of you. This is natural. This all this expression, my confusion is coming natural. I'm not getting the way. Actually, yesterday I was making my homepage of an e-commerce website. I have made a layout first on a piece of paper so that I could have a clear idea that what kind of a section do I have to make. So due to that, I have made a basic layout of a homepage very quickly. But next 4 or 5 hours I wasted, or I watched my television and completed 2 seasons in one row, continuously of tripling. And right now I'm having a internet issue. My Wi-Fi is not working. I'm brother, not getting the way. I know this phase will pass out. I know my first payment will come. I know each and everything, that days will come when I will be successful. I will be having a lot of money. I will be having a feeling of goodness, sweetness within me, for myself, for others. I know that all will happen in my future. But right now, whatever I'm facing, whatever I'm going through, is actually I'm loving it. Actually, also, apart from confusion, not getting the way, frustration, one more important aspect of my thinking is I am actually loving this. I don't know how. This loving, the loving, what Gary Vee's Digital Pratik says, love the process. And actually, it is also being said in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, that you know काम जो कर रहे हो ना, उससे प्यार होना चाहिए, रिजल्ट अपने आप आता है. And actually, you know my mentor Gary Vee, Digital Pratik, saying love the process. You will face a lot of difficulty, but if you love those difficulty, if you love the process of creating something, of becoming something, if you love the process of becoming something, you will enjoy your life, you will enjoy your journey. And that's what I'm loving right now. Actually, apart from frustration, confusion, that I'm not able to get the things done, my first ever website I'm not able to do or create a good website. But even after that, I'm loving this frustration, confusion. I don't know how how you know how I became like this. Earlier I used to very I used to not loving the process, but right now I'm loving this. Actually, I'm loving this. Loving means I am seeing what I'm learning in this phase. I am literally watching, I'm literally observing that what I am learning in this phase. I'm loving it. I don't know how, but I'm loving it. And special thing is, and actually I remember how and when I started loving this process, because back then in November or December, late November and starting December, when I started my cold calling again, because I left my cold calling because I was not I was not getting the leads, I was not getting result, I was not getting yes from the people for making a website. But I self audited myself. I looked around myself that everyone is pushing their limit. जो ठेले वाला सब्जी लगाता है वो भी सवेरे सवेरे आके सब्जी बेचता है, तो अपने आप को पुश कर रहा है वो, राइट. Then I started getting a guilty feeling, regretful feeling that I'm wasting my time. That is why I started doing something. I started my cold call, and then I started getting ideas that how to ask questions. And before I was thinking, like how to how to take the yes from the prospect, you know how how to take that yes, how to listen that yes, hear that yes from the prospect end. But when I started loving this process of cold calling, my focus shifted to how to get to know the more information about the business of the prospect. Because if you know the information about the business of your prospect, the situation of your prospect, then you'll be able to have a edge over the conversation. Because then you will come to then you will be able to get the idea of list of questions that can dig deep into the customer or prospect heads. I started loving the process because I was getting the ideas what to ask, how to ask, in what sequence to ask, uh, in what tone to ask. I started loving the process of cold calling, and I started thinking like I could become a best closer. I could become my best version in the field of closer. From there I started loving this process. From there I started loving this process. And still while facing this frustration, confusion, I'm loving this process. So this was my episode number 11. Not 11, 12. Actually I've forgotten the number. But yeah, this is it. I'm not able to earn, I'm not able to do anything. I'm frustrating right now, but side by side I'm loving this process. Thank you Gary Vee, thank you Digital Pratik, for everything, for shifting the mindset. But it took a very long time, over 1.5 years, to shift my mindset even a little bit, but it has now shifted. And I'm I think I'm pretty good with my mindset. And yeah, I am doing nothing. Of course I'm doing something, but I'm not getting the way how to do it, how to get things done quickly as soon as possible, so that I could get paid by the client, I could have money, I could do something. Okay, facing a lot of trouble, facing a lot of confusion, don't know what to do, how to do, not getting the way. Nature is testing me a lot. but I have also seen that whenever I grinded with my with my body, with my soul, by giving my 200%, nature always given me a solution at the end, always given me a solution, always directed me, at the end, that okay, you have grinded a lot, and we have that I have seen the dedication of yours, and this is the solution of your problem. Nature has given me a solution always at the end. But for that, nature also let me to grind hours and hours, days and days. So thank you nature, thank you God, thank you everyone who is supporting me, who is not supporting me, who is giving me advices, not giving me advices, who is teaching me, not teaching me. Thank you for each and every bit of this world, for making me like this. And thank you, because thank you. Okay, one more thing, स्पेशल थैंक यू टू सतीश के वीडियोस यूट्यूब चैनल, बिकॉज अगर उन्होंने डिजिटल प्रतीक का इंटरव्यू नहीं लिया होता तो मुझे कंटेंट और गैरी वी के बारे में पता नहीं चलता, और गैरी वी के बारे में पता नहीं चलता तो मुझे डॉक्यूमेंटेशन के बारे में पता नहीं चलता, और डॉक्यूमेंटेशन के बारे में पता नहीं चलता तो ये वीडियो भी नहीं बन रही होती, मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल नहीं शुरू हुआ होता, माई लाइफ के एपिसोड नहीं आ रहे होते. सो ये सब आप आ रहे हैं वो सतीश के वीडियो की वजह से, डिजिटल प्रतीक की वजह से, गैरी वी की वजह से. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ देम. बाय.